What is up, guys? So we are back again with another Ford F-150 3.5 EcoBoost video. This is our 2018. Today we're going to be installing some new headlight bulbs. Now, these are yellow. I'll pop up a video real quick and show you. But yeah, they are yellow, and we're going to be installing some LED ones. Now, we just did low beams and the fog lights, which are both also yellow. We went with beamtech. Beamtech, I've had a bunch of luck out of beamtech. We've ran beamtech headlights on a bunch of our side-by-sides and ATVs. And they always work really well, and they're super bright. So we went with these. These are going to be our low beam lights. This is a fanless edition, so you don't have to worry about the fans ever messing up or whatever, and these stay pretty cool. And then the fog lights, they're also beamtech. They both look pretty good. We're going to get to installing these, and I'll give you a few tips on how to install them if you have a 2018 plus, or it may be 2017 plus, I'm not for sure. I think it's 18 plus, but if you have 18 plus Ford F-150, I'll show you how to change those bulbs out, because you can't get to them from up under the hood, so I'll show you an easier way to get to them. Alright, so instead of going under your hood, we're going to go up under the fenders. You want to kind of look towards the front of your truck. There's going to be a little bolt right there, then another one, and then one more right there. It's up in your fender well. But those will be a small, I think it's like a 5.5 millimeter socket that you'll need to get those out. And then there's one push pin right there. So what you'll do is take those out, and I'll allow you to push this little wheel well out of the way, and your headlights to get to them will be right behind there, so it's not too bad to get them on there. So once you get those bolts out, you can pull your cover back. I don't know if you guys will be able to see, but right above, you see where that round piece is? That's going to be your dust cover for your high beam headlight, and then right above that, I've already took it off, but that's going to be your low beam dust cover. So you'll pop this dust cover off. Looks just like this. You set it to the side, and then you'll reach in there and you'll grab the headlight bulb and turn it counterclockwise, so that'll be that way. So you'll turn it that way and you'll pop it out, and then there's a little push pin on it right on the end of this bulb, and you'll just squeeze it down and you'll pull this out. It comes out really easy. But you can do whatever you want with your old bulbs now that you got them out. So then you'll take your new bulb and stick it up there back in the hole. And an easy way I found is if you come, you look in the actual headlight, you can see what you're doing a little better, so you can still reach it with your hand and wiggle at the same time. Yeah, when you get your bulb in there, I don't know if you can see it from here, but you want it to be straight up and down. That's the way that they want it to be. And you'll come back down here, and you'll take the plug that comes on your LEDs, and you'll just plug them straight up to your old existing plug that you took off of your headlight bulb. So we'll do that. Alright, so we got that one plugged in. Before you go putting all your stuff back together, come turn your headlights on and make sure they do work. So that is them, and they do work. It all already looks better. Try to go a little bit further back, get a good comparison. To me, the LEDs versus the yellow, it just looks a whole lot cleaner. Looks a whole lot better, and definitely can see better at night. I can't wait for it to get dark, which it will be soon, and I'll go try them out and see how they do. So now that we got that done, we'll move down to the fog lights. I don't think it'll be really hard at all, so we'll jump on to that. Alright, so on the fog light, you can either reach your hand under there, or you can come through here and reach it. And it's right up in there. You just have to look. I can't really get the camera in there to see it, but it's the same. Just take it out, unplug the old one, plug in the new one, put it back on, and before you get all your stuff back on, it's good to do the fog lights too. And don't forget to put this little dust cover back on. Alright, so we got them all in. They all look real good. And it is almost nighttime, so we'll get to test them out, see how they do. And I have a few more I want to do on the cargo light and replace those with LEDs. Back here in the back. Gonna do the reverse lights. And last thing I need to do is the tag lights. So after that, everything else will be LED. And it will be looking good. Alright, so if you're looking for headlights for your truck or for your car or your four-wheeler or your side-by-side, beamtech is the way to go. They have a lot of different bulb sizes, and they're really good. A lot of people always ask me, hey, we see y'all put those on your side-by-side and ATVs, are they waterproof? It doesn't really say that these are waterproof, but I know that I have got water in my headlight lens on my ATV with these beamtech lights, the fanless design, and they held up like that for at least a few weeks before I noticed they had water in it. So yeah, they hold up to water really good. But we're gonna let it get nightfall and we'll come back and we'll see how these things look while driving. I don't know how great I'll be able to tell on the camera, but I know changing the LEDs from those yellow halogen lights are gonna be a big difference. Alright guys, so I don't know if y'all can see really good, but it's dark time, riding down the road, and this is with it with low beams and the fog lights on. I'll turn the fog lights off. It's a little bit dimmer. Maybe y'all can see on the video, I don't know. It's hard to tell on these cameras, but yeah, if y'all want some good LEDs for your trucks and your side-by-sides and ATVs, hit up beamtech. Y'all guys have a good day. We'll catch you on the